Right, this is what I've come to. On the map, which I'll show you, right, I'll bring it up on the screen. And just as the wee arrow is, it says footbridge. Okay, I'll follow that. No bother, take me across the river, up to where I want to go. Aye, no bother. So I walk through this forest. To get to it, easy. There's a wee clearing in the forest, easy to walk through, no bad. And then I come to it. What's that? What is that? You know, I wasn't expecting Egyptian engineering or anything. That's not a footbridge. Nuh-uh. That's the bunnies our way, come on. God's sake, man. Right. The hardest routes give you the best reward. Good to see this. Right, I'm turning back. I'm going up too far, there's no... It's just all this forest, see this conifer, it's just thick, dense. No room to move in. Thick, jaggy, look at that. That's what it is all the way up. So I'm going to go back down to where the falls were. I've seen a few, I think it was birch trees and that, along the river. So I'll go back down there. Yeah, I'm back where I was. There's a couple of birch trees down there. See the wee woodland here. I'm going to go down there, explore there, and then I'm going to go up the way. See what's up. So I'll bring this back when I've set up my hammock and that. I'm not going to record it because I'm running out of daylight here. The sun's just been behind that hill. So next time you see me, I'll be set up. Set up, there we go. Finally, yes. Good to see this. Looking out. This. Brilliant. Right, it's getting late, it's 6:30. Going to get the dinner on, I'm going to collect some firewood. I actually never brought a stove. Collect some firewood. And I'm going to have a fire right on the rocks. Cook my dinner, have some beer. I'll wait till golden hour, get my drone up. The sun's just setting over there. Brilliant. I'm going to risk it. Going to risk it for a biscuit. I'm set up, and I'm not going to put my tarp up. I checked the weather, it's supposed to be nice today and tomorrow. I've got my tarp with me. It's a 4 metre by 4 metre tarp, it's a bit big. So I'm just going to chance it. Stuff it. You only live once, you know what I mean? I'm going to leave the tarp. There if I need it. But aye, let's pack it away in the morning because I need to be away sharpish. Get the dinner on, a few beers. Let's do it. Nice. I'm going to put that over the fire. I've got a wee rock here, just to balance the pan. See like that? Perfect. Classy to do that. Woo. I'm just kidding on, I know what I'm doing, I really don't. Oh my god, perfection. Oh, let's see this. Amazing. Look at that. Cheers. Right, I'm going to bed. I'm going to go to bed, watch a movie, got a beer, it's a bit cold. I forgot, see when you camp in a valley or a glen or Like your water, it gets colder. So, I'll take you back to the hammock. Oh, it's open. Look, it's open. There we go. All ready for me, ready for me. Oh, I've got a couple of beers left, so I'm going to just chill, watch a movie. There's nothing exciting to do, so I'll see you in the morning. Hey guys. Oh man. Good night. Look at the view. Look at the view. So I woke up there. Yeah, need to get up, slip down, need to get up, get a move on. No time for a coffee or that, just up, back up. I've got a lot to pack away. Tarpless. Right, tidied up. That's us. All go. All tidy. Ready to roll. Just one look at this. Brilliant. Right. I'm off, guys. Need to go pronto. I'm in a hurry. I need to walk back through this way. Through that long grass, through the trees. So, that's a bit. Love yous and leave yous. See you later. It's been a good one. Like and subscribe, leave a wee comment, and I'll see you next time.